Paul.
Hello, my name is Phylip Harris and I shall be taking the role of Grandpa Joe. My goodness me, I'm very excited to be working with this cast and crew. I've worked with some of them already, many times before. Geraint Edwards, of course, I worked with last year in Awst. We had a great time. Caitlin Lavagna, I've worked with about 5 or 6 times in a row on countless shows, including Operation Julie, which was a co-production here at Aberystwyth. And Elian Mai West, I've worked with her once and I'm very much looking forward to working with her again. And the other casts, absolutely fantastic. You know, Sam as Willy Wonka is superb. The one thing I would have in common with Grandpa Joe maybe is like to be in bed. He's a kindly soul and he loves his family. He loves Charlie very much. So I've got a very strong family with lots of love, you know, and we all get on very well as a family together in different ways as well. So the relationship I have with Charlie as Grandpa Joe is reminiscent of the relationship I've got as a grandfather in real life. Obviously, during research for the show, I've looked at all the films, the 3 Wonka films, the original, the Johnny Depp one, and the new one. Obviously, the original is fantastic, and Grandpa Joe in that is the quintessential Grandpa Joe, I think. But I'm taking my inspiration a little bit from Only Fools and Horses. And Grandad in Only Fools and Horses. I like the relationship he has with Del Boy and Rodney and the way he looks as well. He's a great character, Grandad in Only Fools and Horses. So I think I'll be taking my inspiration mainly from him. The role really challenges me as an actor because it is very physical. Although he's in bed for a long time, he then has to get out of bed and nimbly dance around the stage during the I've Got a Golden Ticket number. So that's going to be challenging because obviously being in bed for possibly, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes of the opening of the show, even longer. It's going to take all my warming up and exercising to get fit enough to be able to do that at a stroke.